kindergarten. How are you? So nice to see you. I have to keep it down. I have to be really, really quiet because I'm in the middle of a scavenger hunt in a rainforest. Do you know what a scavenger hunt is? A scavenger hunt is when you go for a hunt in a special place and you look for certain things. So, like I said, I'm in the rainforest and I'm looking for all sorts of natural things. I'm looking for plants, I'm looking for animals, I'm looking for insects, I'm looking for leaves, and I'm taking lots of photos on my iPad so I can show you on Seesaw. Hang on a minute, I have a great idea. I wonder if you could go on a scavenger hunt in your yard, in your garden, or maybe in your local park. And I wonder if you can see if you can find certain things like maybe some leaves or some fruits or vegetables or some plants or maybe some insects or animals. That would be super cool. And while you're there, you can take some photos on your iPad and pop them into the grid on Seesaw. That would be really awesome because I can see what you find on your scavenger hunt. Make sure you take mum or dad with you and you take lots and lots and lots of photos. I can't wait to see what you find on your scavenger hunt. Bye.